Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. And in today's video we are going to make these adorable little butterflies. Now if you do craft fairs, these are awesome for that. For this one, I went ahead and I wrapped my lip balm, and this paper is the Bubbles and Fizz. For this one here, I did the Painted with Love, some Melon Mambo, and some pink glimmer that has retired. But for this one here, we're going to use the Myths and Magic glimmer paper. This here is the butterfly thinlits that we've used, and I went ahead and I die cut my pieces already. And I did the larger one in the Bermuda Bay, and I did the glimmer one, the smaller butterfly. So I'm just going to use this brush tool to release all the pieces and get all the pieces out. Now this tool is great for these intricate kind of dies that have like a lot of pieces that have to come out. So this tool works great for that. It's so much easier. Now I keep mine in my wood case. And again, I'm just going to run the bristles through the die, and it just releases everything. Like so. So I'm going to set this off to the side. I have some Bermuda Bay. This is from the Glimmer pack. And this is free with a qualifying order. And I'm just going to line the two butterflies up with their bums together. And then I'm just going to count up 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I am going to feed my ribbon like so. Actually, I'm going to feed it down. And then I'm going to line them up and count 1, 2, 3, 4. Making sure the ribbon is straight in the back. You're going to take your little chapstick. This DSP measures 2 inches by like 3 inches. I struggle with bow tying, trust me. And then you're just gonna play around with your bow. Super cute project, great for craft fairs. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of the products that I used in today's video, I will have them linked in the description below. I will also have a detailed description over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there and go and check that out. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by. Take care.